in terrific form. So she starts as the favourite. The two Ethiopians very much favoured in this race. Konyagina, being so used to setting the pace for others in world record attempts, but settling in second place at the moment. Behind Jafar and Salsouli, also up there now in second place, the Moroccan. After a sprint finish, but then I guess she could win off at any pace. 4:45.30. 7 laps to go. Two laps to go in the women's 3,000 metres as the two Ethiopians gather on the shoulder of Alo Salsouli and indeed kick past her. At this point, Messeret Defar takes over from the Moroccan, tracked immediately by Malkamu. The only battle, it seems to me, possibly for the silver medal. Messeret Defar is going to win the title once again. The supreme women distance runner of our time, Messeret Defar, a beautifully smooth runner, controlled this race right from the start, and she comes through to win in 8:38.18. And another fantastic run by Defar.
But